Tell me the truth.
Please, just listen.
You hid this from me?
I didn't know how to say it.
So all this was a lie.
I'm sorry.
The clip you just watched was created using a free AI tool called Seedance 2.0, which is accessible in dollar.com to generate ultra-realistic cinematic videos and high-quality AI storytelling in minutes. Let's dive in. Hey, how do we access Seedance 2.0? Okay, you go to dollar.com, dollar, DOLLA.com. You will see it, you can see dollar, your everyday AI assistant, dollar.com/chat. You click on it, then it automatically brings you to this interface. You can see this interface right now. Okay, when you see that, you come down here, you can see create video, you can see writing, you can see create image, but we want to create video. You know, that's what we did. You just click on create video. When you do that, you can include the reference image you want to animate if you want. You choose the model you want. You click on this place. We have Seedance 1.0 fast. We have Seedance 2.0 fast. Fast result, high quality. That's for Seedance 2.0 fast. Then you come to this place, you choose the timing, that 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I choose 10 seconds. Come to this ratio. You choose your aspect ratio. You click on aspect ratio. So when you do that, whatsoever you want to animate, then you come to this. So I have this animation prompt for a short story between a conflict between the couple. You can see now I generated a 10-second ultra-realistic cinematic video set in a luxury Lagos penthouse bedroom at night during a storm. You know, you can see the animation prompt and the dialogue between the husband and the wife. So you can create a niche out of this. Yeah, you can create a niche out of this. You know, you can spring up an argument online based on the disagreement between the couple, and you keep on creating content of this nature, so that people can comment on it. What do you think about the disagreement? How do you think the disagreement should be resolved? So when I did all that, I use this prompt. Then it says your 10-second video is being generated. Please wait. The video will be generated using Dreamina Seedance 2.0 model. It will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I will send it to you when it's done. You have 4 points left today. So you are giving point on a daily basis. So if you have a niche online, so you can definitely leverage this free version of Seedance 2.0, which you can get through dollar.com. You can see when that is done, I was able to get this. I was able to get the video proper. I was able to get the video proper, which I downloaded. Okay.
Tell me the truth.
Please, just listen.
Okay, I was able to get the video proper, which I downloaded. This is it.
Tell me the truth.
Please, just listen.
You hid this from me?
I didn't know how to say it.
So all this was a lie.
I'm sorry.
Okay, you can see now. You can see how cinematic.
Tell me the truth.
How clear it is. You can see by the right hand side down here, you can see dollar AI. You can decide to block that aspect when you are editing your video. Yes, with the name of your channel or whatsoever thing you want to write, or you can use a watermark remover and remove it. The picture is clear, the environment the same, exactly the way the prompt explains it. You can see. So that is that. That is how to access Seedance 2.0 for your AI storytelling, AI filmmaking, AI content creation. Thank you so much. Be the best. I want you to subscribe to my channel. I also want you to like and also share. Thank you.